Hi guys, this is going to be a collab with my new friend Holly. We have been talking on Instagram and we decided to do a daycare collab. So I'm going to be cleaning my daycare area, she's going to be cleaning her daycare area, and I'm also going to be cleaning some toys. Go check out her channel after you finish watching my video and subscribe. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. Talk to you later. Right here I am cleaning the sink out, getting the sink ready so that I can wash these thrifted yard sale and hand-me-down toys. I'm going to be washing them with dish soap and bleach. We don't know where kids put their hands. Sometimes you never know. And plus I've seen kids that put toys in their mouth, and I'm talking about 2-year-olds, 3-year-olds, and 4-year-olds. So you want to get these toys really clean and disinfected because they've been digging in the box trying to get to this stuff, so I had to go ahead and get it clean. Right here I am cleaning this little play kitchen thing. I finally found me one. I have been looking for it, and I went one Saturday and I finally found one for like $20. So it's like, yay! So I picked this up. I'm just cleaning this off. Like I said, kids put their hands in their mouths, they touch stuff. You know, we have cats here and stuff like that. So I'm just cleaning this off and making sure I wipe it down, get it nice and clean. This past weekend we decided to go ahead and put this little cubby thing on the wall so I can hang their coats up during the winter time. So here I am, I'm wiping this out, just cleaning this. When I was working at the daycare, we used to clean this during nap time every day. So I'm just wiping it down right now, just cleaning it up a little bit. So now I'm sweeping the foyer, getting the foyer cleaned up. because this is the pick up and drop off area. So I like to keep this area pretty clean. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm just sweeping so I can get the floor cleaned up so I can mop. And now I'm over in the play area and I'm cleaning out the high chair, making sure I get this thing nice and clean and wiped down. And then you'll see me moving these books, and I'm moving these books over underneath the TV stand, which I finally got to straighten up and declutter this weekend, which it keeps getting decluttered, but I decluttered it this weekend. And now I'm just wiping the table off so the table will be nice and clean for the next day. And this puzzle that I have underneath the table, I found this at a yard sale. She actually gave me this stuff for like $10, everything for $10. So now I'm just going to vacuum and get the floors clear, because I like to vacuum pretty much every day. That's when I usually vacuum. And by the way, it is storming outside right now, so if you see lightning, it's storming. So now I'm just wiping down the doorknobs, the light switches, and just wiping down the counters, making sure I get this stuff wiped down and clean. The schools are already having bugs going around, so just like to keep this stuff clean. Some kids are carriers and some kids just get sick, so I just like to make sure I keep everything nice and wiped down and clean. So this would conclude this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go check out Holly's channel and subscribe. And I really had a great time collabing with you, Holly, and I can't wait to our next collab. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.